Well, things are really opening up again. We're seeing open for inspections back on-site auctions happening again, and we're starting to see more properties come to the market. Now, the number of new listings hitting the market is still quite low, but it is trending higher, which is encouraging to see. I think it's really encouraging how quickly things have bounced back in terms of confidence and demand, given the health crisis, but I think it really reflects the fact that Australia's done a very good job in managing the health crisis. We're seeing really strong levels of demand, both in terms of the number of people searching for properties on realestate.com.au and the number of people that are at that stage close to purchasing. It's clear that people are still very interested. It's just whether or not they're going to have the confidence to go and actually transact on those properties at the moment. Since Scott Morrison a few weeks ago announced the three-step plan to reopen the economy, we've seen consistent increases in the number of new properties listed for sale. It's still down about 7% from where it was a year ago, but it's trending in the right direction. I definitely think that the fact that we're seeing more new listings come onto the market indicates that vendors are a little bit more comfortable transacting. I guess the great unknown remains, are they willing to transact? But we have seen consumer confidence increase each of the last 9 weeks. We'll get another read soon and it'll probably increase again this week. I wouldn't go so far as to say it's a seller's market just because there's still that little bit of trepidation about people actually jumping in and buying. What we are seeing is very low levels of stock actually available listed for sale, and we're seeing a lot of interest in those properties. And I think the other thing to keep in mind is that while the economy is opening back up, we're not going to be a fully functioning economy for quite some time. So that's going to lead to some resistance from people to actually transact. That confidence that was building before COVID-19 is not necessarily here now. It is coming back, but it's certainly not as strong as it was.